Good morning, people. This morning it's the dogs that woke me up because the guinea fowl aren't even out of the tree yet. But the cars are already going to work. Oh, I hope you slept well. The wind is not blowing. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day weather-wise. And you must also have a wonderful day, whatever this day is in store for you. You must embrace and enjoy it. The little Wagtail's baby, first baby, has hatched. She's got a little moth there. The worms it normally bashes to pieces so that it's soft for the babies to eat. And it always wants to carry a mouthful to the nest. If you go too close to the nest, they will try and divert you away from the nest. There, the other one is coming down now. There should be 3 babies. They do not hatch all at the same time, but the first one is definitely there. Maybe the first 2 is already there. Here is the other little one. You can see there's only 2 toes left on that left foot. Okay, there both parents are now here. Let me just... Oh no, I'm talking rubbish. Oh yeah, they are. Both parents are here now. And that sound is the call of danger. I want to get them both in. Okay, maybe all 3 of the babies are there already, because they are both taking to the nest. Look at that. It must be a mouthful. That leg is sore. Yeah. Made a nest in the ponytail plant. Very strange place to have made the nest. He's right here. I'm going to give. The finches has made some nests in the neighbours' palm tree. The Hadida, they normally come back to their same roosting spot as well. Second year that they've made a nest there. They used to make in this tree that my neighbour asked me to cut down. And I'm not going to cut my trees for neighbours again ever. And then there is a Cape Sparrow nest there. So I have the Wagtail nest, the Cape Sparrow nest, the dove nest, the Hadida nest, and all the finches nests this year. The Wagtail nest. That's only the nests I know of. The golden shower is coming out again, but now it doesn't have anything to go over. So that's a bit of a waste. There's a Cape Bulbul. It is looking for some food, so I guess there's a nest somewhere around and there's babies in it. Another nest has been discovered belonging to the Cape Bulbul of die Kaapse tiptolletjie. And if you can see it, I think it's in the sun. There it is. A Hadida is guarding its nest, which is there. And then we have finches. Another wonderful day in windy Port Elizabeth. We have discovered a little dove nest in this yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yesterday when I wanted to vlog her, I chased her, so now I must be careful that I can find her without chasing her. I'm zooming in from afar because yesterday I chased her. Where she is sitting on her nest. I thought I could come and get her from this side, but you know what? She is so well camouflaged. I can't even find her from this side unless no, it's not her. I just want to say something. You must now also remember, this is breeding season for most of the little birds, and the wind is hammering like this. Their nests, there she's flying up now. Their nests can't handle it. Okay, I've got her in the wrong place. I think I've disturbed her. There she's sitting now. Okay, the dove is off her little nest. There is fluff in there, so I think her baby hatched. So you can see that it is there. And here the wagtail is coming. Definitely the babies are out. I don't know how many, but they are out. Very difficult to feed the birds if this is what's going on. Pardon my shadow. They all come. Look how lovely the miniature amaryllis is looking, eh? Wonderful. Pool is clean but milky, not clear. I can put sparkle it in and then everything is going to lie on the bottom, and then I must waste wash it. Lose a lot of water out of the pool. But the water will be clear after that. This looks like Matilda. Matilda? Yeah. This is Matilda. Hello, Matilda. Wagtail is back. How can you now say no? You just asked me so nicely. Huh? Come on. Lots of work for them to feed the babies. Lots.
struggling to come out of the pool. Going to go up to the nest. And the other one came down. The parents are there. There it is. That is the mousy, the cat sparrow. The babies are out as well. I don't know how many they make. There's the father sitting. Here's the Hadida. My pool has turned the most wonderful shade of green with the weather that we had. Terrible. I'm really struggling with my pool. Hadida, and then quite a few finch nests there. Okay, they want food. Where is it now? It is there. But he's stupid. He's probably going to leave with a little poo bag. It's a little white little thing that he's now going to take from the baby. They keep the nest very clean. I can now flew the other way, so you're not going to see the little poo bag. I was hoping to show you the poo bag. Cape Bulbul mother is attending to her babies.